Hello YouTube, this is Chetty Mac 25. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Here I have this wrap luggage. Just put inside that ceiling hanging storage that I made above this garage door. Okay, now let's go up just to show you how it looked like. There's those luggages and other stuff that anything that you can put there. You can see this garden tool that I used just to push all the way that luggage, making it organized. That should be good. And as you can see here, now there's a 2x2 and there's the garage door, motor, and I got another hanging storage right there. Okay, I think go down to put more stuff. It's outside. There's the other storage on the corner inside, and that's the other one. And I'll add up some more for that storage. Okay, now I'm gonna bring inside the car so that you can see how the garage door will go down and the tank storage just well making it stable and stays there still. There's enough space for the garage door and the bottom is hanging storage when it goes down. Okay, now I'm gonna close down this garage door just to show you how is the spacing in it is about to close, and that's how it looks like. It's 2x2 with the plywood. That's on the ceiling all the way there by the wall.
Good.
And that's how I created. And same thing on this another ceiling storage speaker. And this other storage is it's quite a bit lower. That's just maybe 9 feet high. Okay, so it's for today, and thanks for watching my video. Bye.